Hi Sarah, good afternoon. It's so good to finally catch up.
Good afternoon, Chacha. I know it feels like been age. How have you been holding up with the rocky lately?
Hi Sasha, glad to make it. Honestly, I'm just trying to survive this unbelievable heat. Have you guys noticed how hot Cirebon has been this week? Yes, everywhere means that it is been hot. However, for me, it still felt so warm. I couldn't agree more. The heatwave this year is absolutely brutal. The parking lot feels like a workout.
Wait, are you saying that temperatures are actually higher than last year? Or does it just feel good way because of the humidity?
I was wondering the same thing. It feels worse than usual.
Dah, Cece.
I check the weather every year. It is objectively hotter. If we don't start planting more trees in the city center, the micro limit will only get worse every year.
That's exactly what I was thinking. And it's not just the heat, the traffic pollution is making the air feel so heavy. By the way, did you guys hear about the new electric vehicle regulation the government is rolling out this year?
But I don't really understand it. I did read something about it, but honestly, I disagree that pushing us it no will magically solve our traffic and pollution problems. People still prefer their gas-powered motor. People still prefer their gas-powered motorcycle because they are cheaper and easier to refuel.
Do you mean to say that the government subsidies are enough to convince to the middle class to switch?
Exactly. Unless the
Gak.
exactly. Unless the subsidies cover at least 40% of the vehicle's cost, most families will simply stick to what they already need.
I see your point, Chacha, but I have to beg to differ. I've noticed a massive increase in electric scooters and cars on the road just in the last few months. If the government continues to build more fast charging stations across Java, the anxiety will disappear entirely.
I think both of you are right. Apps are great, but infrastructure still needs improvement.
I am with Berlin. On the one, my brother just bought an electric motorbike and he saves so much money on fuel every week. But I do agree with Chacha that infrastructure is the key. Are you sure that they are building enough charging stations outside of Jakarta? Though?
Yes, they are. In fact, they just opened 3 new stations near the toll gates here in Cirebon. If things go according to plan, we will have a fully connected charging network by the end of the next year.
That sound promising. Actually, maybe I think consider doing one in the future. Well, that's good news. I think, but right now I'm more worried about my daily expense than but doing a new facial. Well, that's good news. I think, but right now I'm more worried
about my daily expense than buying a new vehicle. Have you guys noticed how expensive groceries have gotten lately?
Tell me about it. Every time I go to this supermarket, I Tell me about it. Every time I go to the supermarket, I spend more and get less.
Same here. Same here. Even basic items like egg and vegetable are getting expensive.
So what you're saying is that our current salaries are losing their purchasing power because of inflation.
Spot on, it is great getting ridiculous. If the price keep rising like this, we won't be able to save any money for emergency.
It is definitely a tough situation, but complaining I won't fix it. I actually have an idea that might help us down our expenses. Why don't we start carpooling to the office? Why don't we start carpooling to the office and doing weekly meal preps together?
That sounds interesting. It could really help us save money.
Carpooling? Are we talking about taking turns driving our cars to the office district every day?
Yes, exactly. If we take off turns driving, we will cut our fuel and parking cost by a trip. As for the food, we could go to Pasar Kanoman on Sunday morning, buy ingredients in bulk, and spill the cost.
That actually sounds like a brilliant idea, Farah. I am totally on board with the carpooling, but I'm not so sure about the meal prep. I'm terrible. That actually sounds like a brilliant idea, Farah. And I am totally on board with carpooling, but I'm not so sure about the meal prep. I'm a terrible cook.
Haha, I have to agree. Haha, I have to agree with Chacha on that. His cooking is a hazard.
Don't worry, Caca. We won't let you cook alone.
Nah.
Oh, stop it! Oh, stop it! You two. Here is the compromise. If you dare handle the shopping and prep, I will do the cooking.
That is ideal. I cannot refuse. Thank you, Farah.
Perfect. So I will look in for this Sunday morning at the market.
I'm in. Just don't make it too early.
Let's meet at 6 a.m. sharp. If arrive any later than 6:30, all the good vegetables will be sold out.
6 a.m. on a Sunday. Alright, I will set my alarm. Well, guys, I need to head back to the office. It was great chatting with you all. Have a great evening.
You too, Caca.
See you all on Sunday. Take care.
Bye, everyone. See you.
See you.